Thor Motor Coach just introduced the brand new 2026 TELLARO 20U, and this is a game changer for adventure couples who want a premium compact van with full amenities without sacrificing comfort or functionality. This isn't just another camper van, folks. This is taking the industry by storm with its unique midship wet bath design in a 21-foot body. We're talking about a full bathroom, a 24-inch smart TV, and that gorgeous coastal cream interior that feels more like a luxury yacht than a van. Before we dive in, if you love Class B campervan tours and reviews, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our in-depth walkthroughs of the latest RVs hitting the market. Here's what makes this special. At just 21 feet 1 inch long, built on the rock-solid RAM ProMaster 3500 chassis, this van packs features you'd expect to find in RVs that are 10 feet longer. Is this the perfect premium compact van for under $125,000? Let's get started. Let's talk about what makes this exterior so impressive. The TELLARO 20U is built on the RAM ProMaster 3500 XT chassis, which is one of the most reliable commercial-grade platforms in the industry. This isn't some flimsy conversion, this is serious engineering. Here are your exact dimensions: 21 feet 1 inch in length, 6 feet 9 inches wide, and 9 feet 5 inches tall. That compact size means you can park this van in standard parking spaces, navigate city streets with confidence, and fit into campgrounds that larger motorhomes simply can't access. The interior height? A full 6 feet 3 inches of standing room, so most people can walk around comfortably inside. The visual design is absolutely stunning. You've got that brilliant white exterior finish with modern silver accents that give it a contemporary, upscale look. The aerodynamic profile isn't just for show, it improves fuel economy and reduces wind noise at highway speeds. Now here's where Thor really shines with safety features. This van comes equipped with Attention Assist, which monitors your driving patterns and alerts you if it detects drowsiness. You've got Lane Keeping Assist that gently steers you back if you drift out of your lane, and blind spot monitoring with cross-traffic alert for safer lane changes and backing up. These are features you'd find in luxury cars, now standard in your motorhome. Let's talk capability. The GVWR, that's gross vehicle weight rating, is 9,350 pounds, and you've got a 5,000-pound towing capacity. That means you can pull a small boat, motorcycles, or a cargo trailer for all your adventure gear. The dry weight comes in around 7,500 pounds, leaving you plenty of cargo capacity for supplies and personal items. Optional features include a power awning that extends with the push of a button, providing instant shade, and roof rack systems for kayaks, bikes, or additional storage. Thor really thought about the adventure lifestyle here. Step inside, and you're immediately struck by how open and airy this feels. Thor calls this the coastal cream interior theme, and it's absolutely perfect. You've got soft beige and cream tones that create a warm, inviting atmosphere, nothing dark or cramped about this space. The design philosophy here is modern minimalism with a yacht-like aesthetic. Look at those white glossy cabinet doors. They're not just beautiful, they're durable and easy to clean. The cabinet hardware is brushed nickel, giving you that premium residential feel. With that 6 foot 3 inch interior height, most people can stand up straight and move around freely. But what really makes this space special is the natural light. Large panoramic windows on both sides flood the interior with sunshine, making the 21-foot space feel much larger than it actually is. Thor has incorporated clever storage solutions throughout. You've got overhead cabinets, under-seating storage, and even hidden compartments. Every cubic inch is optimized, but it never feels cluttered or cramped. This is thoughtful design at its finest. The kitchen or galley area is positioned perfectly in the midsection, where you've got easy access from both the living space and the entry door. This is seriously well thought out. Let's start with the refrigerator. This is not some tiny RV fridge, you've got a residential-style compressor refrigerator with a real freezer compartment. This thing runs efficiently on 12-volt power and keeps your food properly cold, just like your home refrigerator. No more worrying about propane or absorption cooling nonsense. The cooktop is where Thor gives you flexibility. You've got a portable induction burner that's incredibly efficient and safe. No open flames, no propane to worry about. And because it's portable, you can cook inside or take it outside to your picnic table. That's smart design. Your countertop space is solid surface material, think Korean style, that's durable, heat-resistant, and easy to clean. You've got a stainless steel sink with a pull-down faucet that gives you the reach and flexibility you need for washing dishes or filling pots. Water capacity is excellent for this size van. You've got 27 gallons of fresh water in the tank. That's plenty for several days off-grid if you're conservative. The water heater is a 6-gallon Truma AquaGo system that provides endless hot water on demand. No waiting for a tank to heat up, turn on the faucet, and you've got hot water in seconds. Storage includes upper cabinets with those beautiful white glossy doors and lower cabinets for pots, pans, and dry goods. You've even got a pull-out drawer for utensils and cooking tools. Everything has its place. The living area is where you're going to spend most of your time. And Thor absolutely nailed it here. You've got twin bed configuration that doubles as comfortable seating during the day. These are full-size beds, not dinky little benches with premium fabric upholstery in that beautiful coastal cream color scheme. The table is a brilliant removable design with an adjustable mounting system. Need a dining table? Mount it between the seats. Want a work desk? Adjust the height. Need more floor space? Take it off completely and store it. This flexibility is incredible. Now here's something you don't see in many compact vans. Those driver and passenger captain chairs swivel 180 degrees to face the living area. That gives you 4 comfortable seating positions for socializing, meals, or game night. And these aren't cheap plastic chairs, they're genuine high-back captain chairs with lumbar support and armrests. Entertainment? You've got a 24-inch smart TV mounted on the side wall with built-in streaming capability. Connect to Wi-Fi at the campground and stream Netflix, YouTube, or your favorite shows. The TV mount includes satellite prep if you want to add a roof-mounted dish for off-grid entertainment. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying this detailed walkthrough, smash that like button and let me know in the comments what's the most important feature in a compact camper van for you. For connectivity, Thor includes the WiFiRanger system, that's a powerful Wi-Fi booster and router that captures campground Wi-Fi signals and amplifies them throughout your van. Stay connected for remote work or keeping in touch with family. Here's where the TELLARO 20U really separates itself from the competition. This is rare in 21-foot vans under $125,000. Most compact vans sacrifice the bathroom entirely or give you a porta potty and outdoor shower. Not this one. You've got a full midship wet bath. That means a dedicated bathroom space with a real toilet, sink, and shower all in one enclosed area. Let me explain what wet bath means for those new to RVs. The entire bathroom serves as the shower stall. You have a shower wand, and water drains through the floor. Everything in there is designed to get wet, hence wet bath. The toilet is a Thetford cassette system with a porcelain bowl. This is huge porcelain, not plastic, so it looks and feels like a residential toilet. The cassette waste tank slides out from the exterior for easy dumping at any RV dump station. No black tank to worry about, no complicated plumbing. The sink basin is a space-saving fold-down design. When you need it, pull it down. When you don't, fold it flat against the wall to maximize shower space. The chrome fixtures are stylish and durable. Above you, there's a large skylight that provides natural light and ventilation. Open it up to vent steam after a hot shower or just to let in fresh air. The bathroom also has its own powered vent fan for moisture management. That 27-gallon freshwater tank and 6-gallon hot water heater, plenty for comfortable showers. The grey water tank holds 26 gallons, so you've got good capacity before needing to dump. The ease of waste management is fantastic. That cassette slides out from the exterior, you roll it on built-in wheels to the dump station, open the valve, and empty. No dealing with sewer hoses or messy connections. Let's talk about where you're going to sleep, because this is a comfortable setup. The twin bed configuration gives you 2 separate sleeping areas, each measuring approximately 32 inches wide by 75 inches long. That's essentially 2 extra long twin beds, perfect for couples who want their own space or friends traveling together. The conversion process? There isn't one. These beds are permanent, no complicated folding, no removing cushions, no wrestling with mechanisms at the end of a long day. Lay down and sleep. That's it. The comfort level is genuinely impressive for 2 adults. Thor uses high-density foam mattresses with residential-style upholstery fabric. These aren't the thin, uncomfortable pads you find in some camper vans. Add your own memory foam topper if you want, but most people find these perfectly comfortable as is. Privacy features include blackout roller shades on all windows. Pull them down, and you've got complete darkness for better sleep, even when you're parked under bright campground lights or dealing with early morning Sunday. Overhead storage cabinets run along both sides above the beds, perfect for clothes, books, and personal items. You've also got reading lights with individual switches one person can read while the other sleeps without disturbing them. The sleep quality elements are well thought out. The van's insulation keeps you comfortable in various temperatures. The windows provide cross-ventilation on nice nights, and the Truma climate control system, which we'll discuss later, keeps you comfortable year-round. Up front, you've got the RAM ProMaster cab, and it's genuinely comfortable for long drives. These captain chairs feature premium vinyl upholstery with lumbar support and adjustable armrests. They're designed for commercial drivers who spend hours behind the wheel, so comfort is excellent. The ergonomics are spot on. Everything falls naturally to hand the gear shifter, the climate controls, the steering wheel buttons. Speaking of the steering wheel, you've got integrated controls for cruise control, audio system, and Bluetooth phone connection. Keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. The digital dashboard is clear and easy to read, with a multi-information display showing you speed, fuel economy, trip information, and vehicle diagnostics. The visibility through that large windshield and big side mirrors is excellent. You're sitting up high with a commanding view of the road. That 180-degree swivel functionality transforms these seats from driving positions to living area seating. Just turn around and you're part of the social space. The swivel mechanism is smooth and locks securely in place. Storage is plentiful up front. You've got a large center console with multiple compartments, door pockets, overhead storage, and cup holders positioned within easy reach. There are also USB charging ports, so you can keep your devices powered while driving. The technology package in the TELLARO 20U is impressive for a compact van. That 24-inch smart TV we mentioned? It's a Samsung or LG with built-in apps and Wi-Fi connectivity. No separate streaming device needed, just connect to the campground Wi-Fi or your hotspot and start streaming. The WiFiRanger system is a professional-grade Wi-Fi booster and router. It captures weak campground Wi-Fi signals, amplifies them, and creates a strong network throughout your van. For remote workers or digital nomads, this is essential. LED lighting throughout the interior is strategically placed for task lighting and ambient mood lighting. Under-cabinet LEDs illuminate the kitchen workspace. Overhead LEDs provide general lighting, and accent LEDs create atmosphere in the evening. All of this is incredibly energy efficient, drawing minimal power from your house batteries. USB charging ports are everywhere by the beds, in the kitchen, at the dinette, up front in the cab. You can charge phones, tablets, cameras, and other devices without hunting for adapters. The roof rack provisions allow you to mount solar panels for off-grid power generation. Add a 200 to 400 watt solar array, and you can camp indefinitely without hookups, keeping your batteries charged naturally. Optional exterior accessories include LED exterior lighting, backup cameras with multiple viewing angles, and cellular signal boosters for staying connected in remote areas. Let's get into the mechanical heart of this van, because the RAM ProMaster 3500 chassis is a beast. Under the hood, you've got the Pentastar 3.6-litre V6 engine producing 276 horsepower and 250 pound-feet of torque. This is a proven, reliable engine that's been in production for years with excellent durability. The transmission is a 9-speed automatic, yes, 9 speeds that keeps the engine in its optimal power band for efficiency and performance. You've got smooth acceleration, confident highway passing power, and surprisingly good fuel economy for a vehicle this size. Speaking of fuel economy, you're looking at approximately 16 to 18 miles per gallon in real-world driving conditions. The fuel tank holds 24 gallons, giving you a range of roughly 380 to 430 miles between fill-ups. That's coast-to-coast capability without constant fuel stops. The GVWR gross vehicle weight rating is 9,350 pounds. With a dry weight around 7,500 pounds, that leaves you approximately 1,850 pounds of cargo carrying capacity for water, propane, food, gear, and personal belongings. That's generous for a van this size. Towing capacity is rated at 5,000 pounds when properly equipped. That's enough for a small boat, a cargo trailer full of motorcycles, or adventure toys like ATVs. The receiver hitch is factory installed and ready to go. Advanced safety systems include electronic stability control, which helps prevent rollovers and loss of control. Anti-lock brakes with electronic brake force distribution optimize braking performance. Traction control helps you maintain grip on slippery surfaces. And those driver assistance features we mentioned earlier, attention assist, lane keeping, and blind spot monitoring, are all standard equipment, making this one of the safest vans in its class.